The second you upload more than 3 files to a standard chatbot, it starts getting confused, hallucinating details, and mixing up your documents. And there is a technical term for this called context window congestion. But we have a dead simple way to solve it. Welcome back to CREAO Academy. Last week, we mastered chat steering and interactive artifacts. Today, we are mastering files and workspaces. Whether you are technical or not, you will benefit from this episode by learning how to isolate your projects so your AI never gets distracted by separating your task into clean, containerized workspaces. Ensure 100% accurate every single time. Do not worry if you are not a system engineer. This series is designed for everyone, and my goal is to give you a clear visual blueprint to keep your AI running fast, organized, and error-free. Let us look at science behind this. Large language models rely on attention mechanisms to read your files. When you upload your target style guide, your marketing briefs, and your financial detail all into one single massive thread, the model has to process every single token at the same time. This creates noise. The model's attention gets diluted, and it starts pulling design fonts from your marketing brief to answer a financial query, leading to hallucination and errors. By containerizing your files, you completely eliminate this noise. Research shows that keeping files segmented inside clean, isolated containers boosts task execution accuracy by up to 40% because the model is only focusing on the exact context it needs. To explain workspaces, imagine your school lockers. You do not want your greasy gym clothes sitting on top of your history homework. In CREAO, workspaces are separate lockers, and the files panel is the clean shelf inside that locker, where you place only the books and files you need for that specific class. When you create a new workspace, you are setting up an entirely independent file system and memory container. If you have client A and client B, their files and chats never touch. Keep your professional projects organized, accurate, and completely secure. Remember, workspaces are completely optional. You do not need them to start chatting, but they're incredibly useful for staying organized once you start running multiple projects. Let us set our project lockers. Look at your chat screen and find the left sidebar menu. Near the top, click on the workspace selector dropdown. And here, you can see all your active containers. Let us click on the button labeled New Workspace. A modal would appear. Let us type in client A and click the Create button. Instantly, we have a completely fresh, isolated locker. Any reference documents, style guides, or API configurations we load here are invisible to agents running in the other workspace. Your data stays safe and perfectly segregated. Now, let us analyze some reference files. Click on the Files tab. In the left sidebar menu, you will see a clean file manager interface. Simply drag and drop any document like a CSV dataset, a PDF style guide, or an Excel sheet directly into the upload area. Once the upload completes, go back to the Chat tab and let us ask the AI agent. Review the style guide I just uploaded and extract our primary font sizes and press enter. Look at how fast it responds. The agent immediately accesses the file in your active workspace sandbox, parses the typography rules, and outputs the exact value. It does not scan your personal folder or client B's workspace, giving you fast, highly accurate results. To sum up today's lesson, we isolated our project using separate workspaces, uploaded our reference files directly into the Files panel, avoided context digestion, and got fast, accurate data analysis from our agent. Keeping your workspaces clean is the secret to building high-performance systems. If you want to check out the official docs, same thing, head to docs.creo.ai, and under Feature, you will see the Files tab, and there's also the Feature tab, and there's also the Workspaces tab. And next week, we are unlocking multi-step dynamic workflows, moving beyond simple chat questions. Click the link in the description to clean up your workspace files today, and subscribe so you don't miss next Friday's episode. I'll see you then. Bye.